Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to update an app with a different Apple ID. So if an app was downloaded using a different Apple ID, you cannot update it unless you sign in with a original Apple ID. And in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple method on how you can update the app with a different ID. So if the app refuses to update because of the changes in the Apple ID, the best thing to do is to open the Apple Store on your phone or your iPad. They tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, then scroll down and check if the app is listed under update. Then if prompted, sign in with the original Apple ID used to download the app, then tap to install the latest version. And if you have no access to the Apple ID, you can as well as delete the app on your mobile phone, delete it, then go back to your Apple Store with the current Apple ID that you have on your device, then install the app again. Then after that, you can now log in using your credential, and that's it.